Chapter 5 Minerals. In the summer vacation, Magda went to the city A to attend a marriage function. She was very excited to attend the marriage function. She boarded the train in the evening. Next day in the morning, she saw some bright objects and some dark red material lying near the railway track. She had not seen such things before. She asked her father about these things. Her father told her that these were minerals. The bright things was mica and the dark red things was bauxite. Magda wanted to know more, so her father promised to tell her more about minerals in detail when they returned from marriage. Minerals. Minerals are normally occurring materials, organic or inorganic. Minerals are found in rocks inside the earth and they have economic value. Minerals have a definite chemical composition. They are extracted from the earth by mining, quarrying and pumping. The mechanical process of extraction of minerals from the earth is called mining, but the existence of minerals is not uniform. They are unevenly distributed. Some of the areas of the world have plenty of minerals, whereas some areas are completely devoid of them. One more important point is that minerals are exhaustible and they cannot be replenished. Iron, mica, bauxite, copper, manganese, limestone and gold are all minerals. Ores. Minerals are extracted from ores, a rock which has a large concentration of a particular mineral is called the ore of that mineral. From ores, we extract valuable elements and minerals. Minerals are extracted from their ores through a process of melting called smelting. The process of heating and smelting are involved in smelting. In most cases, ores are not in a pure state. After mining, the ore undergoes a series of separating steps called ore dressing. A mineral is cored according to the amount of impurities in it. For instance, a high-grade iron ore will have fewer impurities than a low-grade iron ore. Industrial development of a country depends on the availability of minerals in that country. A judicious use of minerals is a symbol of economic prosperity. Types of minerals. Minerals are classified on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. Example, composition and use. On the basis of composition, minerals are broadly classified into the following two types: metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals. Minerals that contain metals are known as metallic minerals. Gold, silver and copper are examples of metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are hard and have luster. Metallic minerals are hard and have luster. These minerals are found in metamorphic and igneous rocks. The metallic minerals are further divided into two categories. Forest minerals. Minerals which contain iron are called forest minerals. Iron, manganese, chromite and titanium are forest minerals. The majority of the metallic mineral are of forest type. These form the backbone of most metallurgical industries. India has large deposit of many metallic minerals. Non-ferrous minerals. Metals which do not connect iron are called non-ferrous minerals. Tin, lead, bauxite, gold, silver and copper are examples of non-ferrous minerals. Non-metallic minerals. Minerals which do not connect metallic components are known as non-metallic minerals. Quartz, mica, calcite, limestone, sulfur, coals and petroleum are examples of non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are mostly found in sedimentary rocks. Distribution of metallic minerals. Minerals are found in selected areas. The distribution is not the same throughout the world. Let's learn about the distribution of metallic mineral in India and the world. Iron ore. Iron ore is an important metallic used abundantly in our daily life. It is found in great abundance in the Earth's crust. It can be mixed with other materials to form alloys. It is used in the manufacture of railway lines, locomotives, machines, automobiles, defense equipments, agriculture, implements, etc. There are 4 varieties of iron ore. They are hematite, magnetite, limonite and siderite. China is the largest producer of iron ore in the world. Australia, Brazil, India, Russia and Ukraine are other important iron ore producing countries. In India, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Goa and Karnataka are the main iron ore producing states. India is the second largest producer of iron ore. Manganese. Manganese is an important black, hard and iron-like metal. It occurs naturally as manganese oxide. It is widely used in making iron and steel. It is also used as a raw material for manufacturing paints and glass. It is also used to make alloys, chemicals, bleaching powder, dry batteries and matches. One of the most important features is that it increases the strength of steel and makes it rust-proof. South Africa is the largest producer of manganese in the world. China, Australia, Gabon, Malaysia and Brazil are other important manganese producing countries. In India, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka are the leading manganese producing states. These 5 states produce 95% of the total manganese production. Copper. Copper is believed to be the oldest material used in India. It is good conductor of heat and electricity. Therefore, it is widely used in manufacturing of cables, wires, utensils, coins, defensive equipments and electrical appliances. Chile is the largest producer of copper in the world. China, Peru, USA, Democratic Republic of Congo and Australia are other copper producing countries of the world. India is deficient in copper and imports it from Chile, Indonesia and Australia. In India, copper mills are located in the state of Jharkhand in Singhbhum district and Balaghat mills in Madhya Pradesh. Some amount of copper is also milled from K3 and bauxite. Bauxite is a dark, red-colored clay-like substance. It is an ore of aluminium. It is formed due to the disintegration and discomposition of a variety of rocks that have aluminium silicates. Butoxy is largely used in making wires, sheets, utensils, reflectors and most importantly, aircraft. Australia is the largest producer of butoxy in the world. China, Brazil, India, Ghana and Jamaica are other butoxy producing countries of the world. In India, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand and Gujarat are important butoxy producing states. Gold. Gold is precious and the most valuable metal. It is colored in yellowish red and has luster. It is mainly used in making ornaments. Pure gold is soft and is usually used in an alloy. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity and does not rust. Gold has very limited industrial uses. It is used in dentistry mixed in some of the drugs to bring relief from acute pain. Gold is measured in carats. Most recently, South Africa was the leading producer of gold. China, Russia, Australia, USA and Canada are other gold producing countries. In India, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala are leading gold-producing states. The Kolar Gold Field and the Hatti Gold Mills in Karnataka are important gold mini centers in India. Silver. Silver is also a precious metal of white color. Its prime ore are tetrahedrite, pyragorite and argentite. It is mainly used in making jewelries, utensils and other decorative items. It has many industrial applications like electroplating, soldering and to make photographic materials. Silver is mixed with copper to make coins. Mexico is the largest producer of silver in the world. China, Australia, Bolivia, Russia and Peru are other important silver producing countries. India is not a major producer of silver. Zawar in Udaipur, Rajasthan, Dhanbad in Jharkhand are the leading producer of silver in India. It accounts for around 90% production of the entire silver production in India. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and Uttarakhand also produce silver in small quantity. Uranium. Uranium is the harvest naturally occurring mineral. It is a radioactive mineral. The concentration of uranium deposits is low. This makes its extraction difficult and costly. Uranium 235 is the most important uranium isotope for making nuclear reactors and weapons. Uranium is also used in producing electricity. Did you know? Pitch blende of uranium is the reactive uranium-rich ore. Other includes canodite, diamonite, torbanite and autunite. Kazakhstan, with 33% of the world's uranium reservoirs, is the largest producer of uranium in the world. Canada, Australia, Namibia, Russia and Niger are other uranium-producing countries in the world. In India, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka and Kerala are uranium-producing states. Monazite sand off the Kerala coast is the largest source of uranium deposits in India. Distribution of non-metallic minerals. Mica. Mica is a compound of both metals and non-metals in crystal form. This mineral is made of sheets of silicates which easily split into very thin transparent sheets. Mica is a bad conductor of heat, so it is used as electrical insulator capable of withstanding heat. It is used in manufacture of telephones, electric equipments, wireless communications and aeroplanes. Powered mica is used in coating. India is the largest producer of mica in the world and China is the second largest producer. Russia, USA, South Korea, Canada and Finland are mica producing countries of the world. In India, large deposits of mica are found in Gaya, Koderma and Hazaribagh. There is a mica deposit in Ajmer district of Rajasthan. Andhra Pradesh has mica deposits in the district of Nellore. Tamil Nadu also has mica deposits. Limestone. Limestone is composed of calcium carbonate and the skeleton remains of marine animals. It is mostly found in sedimentary rocks. Limestone is mainly used in cement, iron and steel, chemical, fertilizer, paper, glass and rubber industries. It is also used as It is also used as flushing agent in a blast furnace to remove the impurities from iron and coal. China is the largest producer of limestone in the world. USA, Russia, Brazil, Japan and Germany are other limestone producing countries of the world. In India, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh are limestone producing states. Madhya Pradesh is the largest limestone producing state. Coal. Coal is a fossil fuel and one of the basic sources of energy. It is also referred to as black gold. As per its carbon content, coal is graded into 4 groups. These groups are anthracite, bituminous, lignite and peat. Anthracite is the best variety of coal. It produces great heat and leaves no residue and burns without smoke. It has nearly 80% carbon content. Coal serves as the basic raw material for producing chemicals, dyes, fertilizers, paints, synthetics and explosives. It is widely used in the thermal electricity to generate electricity. It is used in the steel industries for smelting iron ore in blast furnaces. Benzol, ammonia gas, naphtha, tar and sulfur are the byproducts of coal. China is the largest coal producing country in the world. USA, Australia, India, Russia and Indonesia are other coal producing countries of the world. In India, Chhattisgarh is the largest coal producing state in India. Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra and West Bengal are other coal producers. Petroleum. Petroleum is another fossil fuel. It is also referred to as liquid gold. It is derived from organic materials trapped in the layers of sedimentary rocks. Major petroleum oil fields are located along the manganese of Youngfold Mountains, in coastal areas and in offshore regions. Petroleum is used both as a fossil fuel and as a raw materials and is a source of energy. It is used in all kinds of vehicles to drive them. Petroleum is also used as a raw material for producing plastics, synthetic fibers, detergents, petrochemicals and chemical fertilizers. Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Qatar and Bahrain are important petroleum producing countries of the world. USA, Russia, China, Indonesia and Venezuela are other important petroleum producing countries. In India, Assam, Gujarat, off the Mumbai coast, delta of the Krishna and the Godavari rivers in Andhra Pradesh are important regions of petroleum production. Till independence, petroleum was dug out only in Digboi in Assam. Did you know petroleum deposits have been discovered in the North Sea? It is shared by United Kingdom, Norway, Germany and the Netherlands. Natural gas. Natural gas is found along with petroleum. Natural gas is the most important fuel to meet the rising demand for energy. Natural gas is used in chemical fertilizers, sponge iron plants, as cooking gas LPG, and as fuel for vehicle CNG. Liquefied natural gas LNG is often known as the fuel of the future, as it is cheaper. USA is the largest producer of and consumer of natural gas. Russia, China, Iran, UK and Netherlands are other important natural gas producing countries. In India, Mumbai High, Gujarat, Assam, Tripura and Tamil Nadu are important natural gas producing areas. Natural gas has also been discovered in Krishna Godavari deltas in Andhra Pradesh. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are natural gifts to mankind. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are natural gifts to mankind. They are exhaustible or non-renewable. Continuous mining and waste fuel use of minerals may lead to their exhaustion, so there is a need to use them judiciously in a rational manner, keeping in mind the needs and requirements of the future generations. The indiscriminate and continued extraction of mineral ore from the Earth's surface is a cause of concern for all countries. The following steps can help in conserving minerals. Planned use of non-renewable minerals, recycling and reusing scrap, minimize waste during mining and mineral processing, use of low-grade ores by using efficient machinery, use of renewable substitutes such as solar, hydel and wind energy. The above-mentioned steps will certainly lead to the judicious use and conservation of minerals. Star points. Minerals are naturally occurring materials, organic or inorganic. Minerals are extracted from ores. A rock which has a large concentration of a particular mineral is called the ore of that mineral. On the basis of composition, minerals are broadly classified in the following two types: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Iron ore is an important metal used abundantly in our daily life. South Africa is the largest producer of manganese in the world. India is the largest producer of mica in the world. Petroleum is a fossil fuel referred to as liquid gold. Continuous mining and wasteful use of minerals may lead to their exhaustion. The indiscriminate and continued extraction of mineral ore from the Earth's surface is a cause of concern for all countries. Minerals need to be conserved for our future generation. New words. Organic, formed by living things. Quarrying, digging stone out of the ground. Metamorphic, change in form of nature, especially by natural growth or development. Alloy, a metal formed by a mixture of metals, to mix something with metals. Conservation, act of preventing something from being changed or destroyed.